Corpus Central Bureau of Communication, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, Shillong, haka khatway tarik Risau kilapalongi ke exhibition cum outreach program balaisngi, halor ka Swachh Bharat and Poshant Abhiyan, hapalau Alpha English High Secondary School Nongpo. Hakani ka program la ajing hikai ki khana school ka than Nongpo, halor ka jing khoi ka jing suba, bat ban penmelin ban bam ni ka jing bam ki batei ka met ka phat, bat ki badon ni ki vitamin bat proteins. Hakani ka program ka Jane Namchu, Additional Director General, Zonal Central Bureau of Communication, Gauti, Kalalong ka Kongsan. Umanish Kumar, IAS Assistant Commissioner, Ribhoy, Ugopajit Das, Head Office Central Bureau of Communication, Shillong, Babyang Bok Basayamon, Umling Sin RD Block, Kong D Shila, Nutritionist DPO Office, Kong WK Bla, Principal Alpha English High Secondary School, Nongpo, Kilong kami longpa bat ki khana school ka than Nongpo, kilawan ban shimenta kani ka program. Hakani ka program ka Office Central Bureau of Communication, kalapin ko buramru iwing nong hikai ka school Alpha English High Secondary School, Madhav Singh, ubalayo ika khusnam Teacher National Award na ka President Draupadi Murmu, haka program ka badang Depshen, Hanongba, Delhi.
The odor and the bacteria which is present in the water. For further filtration, the water is passed through into the second and to the third container, in which we have added gravels and pebbles. Gravels and pebbles also helps in filtering the water, as it is much thicker and it filters most of the water. And then the water is passed through into the fourth container, in which we have added activated charcoal. We have activated the charcoal by adding calcium chloride and lemon. Calcium helps in absorbing the organic substances that produces this agreeable taste and odor. And then lastly, the water is passed through into the fifth container, in which we have added sand. Sand also helps in filtering the water and provides an even filtration. And then we can observe here, as compared to this water which we have added here, we can observe that this water is much clearer and cleaner. But to make it safe for drinking, we can add chlorine tablets and then we can boil it. And then after it undergoes the process of filtration, the water is much clearer and cleaner, and we can put chlorine tablets if we want to drink it, but before drinking, we have to boil it.
With meals, so never do that. I will also practice it from today.
Thank you. Talk about policies and programs. If we do not have the base, we cannot go forward. What happens is funds come in and go, and we still stay at the same level. Then we say we have nothing in our data to show. Here as children who have been adolescents, and the officer from the CDPO has clearly talked about it. The adolescence is a period when it is extremely important to have the right food. We have to talk about a balanced diet. We do not have to look outside what we have. Look into your own food. I would say this because each region has its own food. Each place has its own food. You have your own fruits and vegetables. Why do we go out? Why do we not look at our own food and look at our own dietary habits? I have been to many programs over the years when we keep on talking about portion. And then there has been a very disturbing fact that has been brought in many times, that there have been, incidents of children having tuberculosis, having a sore in their intestine. So this is very difficult to, it becomes very expensive because health is expensive, taking care of your health. And preventive health is the most important. Do we eat instant noodles? Even I do eat, I don't deny it. But then it should not become a full meal. Biscuits should not become a full meal. And so we should look into our own diets. What we can get from our own fruits and vegetables. Maybe if you can, if you grow, do not look down upon it. Because many a times we think that, the other people are saying theirs is better.
Ministry for giving us such a wonderful opportunity to present and learn, develop our skills through such occasions. We are grateful. Today I am going to give a brief speech on the topic that is Swachhata, sanitation and nutrition. Swachhata, which means cleanliness, it's not just some duty or responsibility of a person that he has to do for a formality. It should be fitted in the mindsets of people that Swachhata or cleanliness is a part of living, it's a part of life. The father of a nation, Mahatma Gandhi, did not only want an independent India, but also wanted a clean and green India, where he owed his citizens to maintain Swachhata or cleanliness for the well-being of the organisms and the environment as a whole. There's a famous saying, it's a beautiful saying that says, a clean or swachh mind is generated from a clean environment. It simply denotes that through a clean, hygienic, healthy environment, one can possess a balanced mindset or a balanced mentality. But if we sum up, Swachhata, sanitation and nutrition, what is the relation? You might ask, okay, Swachhata and sanitation are directly related, but what about nutrition and Swachhata? If you put yourself, suppose, in an environment where you will have proper nutrition, but your environment will be filthy, dirty, what do you think the result may be? Or if you put yourself in a situation where you will have healthy food, if your environment is clean, but you'll not have adequate nutrients, what do you think the consequence may be? The person in those situations, in both the cases, will contract some kind of diseases. So in simple words, if we want to prevent such diseases, we must inculcate healthy habits and have adequate nutrients. With these few words, I would like to encourage each and every one of us to follow the idea of Swachhata or cleanliness in and around the surrounding and have adequate nutrition for a healthy body and ultimately to attain a developed nation. Thank you very much.